Hi, I'm David from Luminous AI. We're a software automation and AI implementation specialist based in Indonesia. We service clients all around the world. And today I wanted to show you not only my cat behind me, Snowden there, who's asleep. I wanted to show you our sales funnel that we have integrated on the homepage of our website and in our lead magnets as well. Basically, we have a form where a user will want to conduct an AI audit to see if they're any of the services that we offer can be implemented for them for their business. So 5 simple questions, takes up very little of the user's time. From there, we capture lead details, so contact email, a few other questions. From there, we take the form details, pass it on to make.com. From make.com, we pass to our AI model. We're using OpenAI, which is trained on how to answer the response, but also what offerings our business has. This can be tailored to any other business. I'm just using AI automation service because that's what I offer, but we could do this for restaurant, we could do it for Horeca, we could do it for booking holidays, you name it. If you train the model on your business and your offerings, ask the right questions, AI can give an instant response. It's a good way to get a customer to give up their contact details for a little bit of information, and then you can put them into your funnel, your lead funnel, see if you can move them up through the chain. So yeah, I'll show you the email that is responded. So here we have one that I just ran for the sake of this video. So, dear David, after careful evaluation of Dave's Spotify playlist, this was inspiration from one of the clients I worked with recently. Your workflow and objectives, we recommend the following AI solutions. So, for this particular business, the AI thought it was fit to have an AI-powered data analysis, one service that we offer. Automating data analysis to determine the playlist resonate with your best with your audience. We can do website integration to complement the platform, content creation, social media integrations, AI assistance, and then unified content management with AI-driven insights. And at the very bottom there, there's a link to book a discovery call, so we send them back to a form. So if you'd like to learn how I've built this system, please stick along with the video, and we will go through everything in make.com and show you the Airtable side. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I thought I'd begin with the Airtable, show you the columns we need to propagate that filtered view. So these are the stages when they enter, or all the test data. So we have first name, last name, email, the status that they'll arrive in. So it could be intake, proposal sent, closed, waiting meeting. We have the business name, when the meeting is scheduled, business URL, the sector that they work in, pain points. That would be something that we collect during the discovery call. Tech stack we actually inquire about during first, like, from the funnel itself. Any connectors that they might be using, existing connectors, APIs, etc. And the source is where they come from. And then we've also got the recommendations that I will send them out. So I'll actually show you what send them, etc. Sorts of links. So what we're perhaps I'll go to the Airtable now and show you our. Okay, so we have an integration with the WP forms. Create new lead, generate the AI audit, tell the audit, and then update the entry. So first things first is WP forms. We have the integration with webhook. So we copy this webhook address, and that will go into our form. We have a really simple form here. This is the form builder. So name, address, email address, business name, URL. Briefly describe your key services or products, outline your current workflow process, and list the main technology and software use, what departments you have in your organization if you are a big organization, your current workflows. So basically, have you identified any areas that you think would benefit from automation or AI? Always good to catch, let someone riff and let you know if they've got something. And then do you use any cloud-based software or APIs? Usually if it's cloud-based, it will have an API. And then if so, it says a conditional, which APIs, so they could get the opportunity to list which APIs, which software. It's all sent over to the make.com. Settings, webhooks. That's the webhook from the make.com. Here and in APG. This is my secret. Talk about it in the video. And then what I'm passing is the name, email, the business name, business URL, website, if applicable, briefly describe all those questions which I've asked. And I pass them over as a variable. So we've got name, email, business name, website, service, products, current workflow departments, RPA, information potential, cloud-based API, then which so if we look at the previous runs, see the webhook receives name, email address, name, email address, business name, didn't have a website, service products, track listings 3 times a week, with spelling and typo gaps, it's fine. And show the social media links, all this is done manually, exception of Pro. Departments, we have a content team, automations potential. I feel like this could be automated in its current setup, very manual, and then just no software APIs. Yeah, the information gets passed from our WordPress form to here to our Luminous AI. So we take their name, that comes through as first name, last name. We use the split module and get the first section. So that the first section after the space would be David. Now, capture there, status, we move them to intake. Business name is the business name, website is the website. Source is WP Forms, just so we can track everything. Then for the last name, we split the name after the space and get the second section. And then existing APIs and connectors we update. From the next module, the next step is we pass it to Luminous AI OpenAI model. This will give us our automated response. So the first system message is, as an AI and automation advisor at Luminous AI, you're known for your intelligence and your thoughtfulness. Your recommendations, which should be provided without any introduction, must be adhered to in a HTML format. Next one is the user message. So it lists all of our business services. So we do website integration, effortlessly transfer sales information. So we do Stripe integration, banking integrations, email integrations, customized CRM dashboards, unified content management with AI-driven insights, data entry forms, sales funnel management, lead generation tools, web data analysis, lead qualification, e-commerce synchronization, market data web scraping, AI assistance, and then content creation. Proposal generation, targeted drip email campaigns, AI podcast hosts. And it says, please note these services can be availed individually or in a combination based on specific needs. Then we feed Assistant. You will review the information below and offer the suggestions from Luminous AI, what Luminous AI can offer. So, scroll up. So here's their name, their email, their business, their website, and briefly describe. So we just repeat the questions and then feed in the answers. You're not summarize at the end, only and recommendation. From here, that gets passed to my email client. As the subject is your personalized AI review, HTML format. And then we've got the HTML format here. It says first name, but the message that comes out of the AI. Then what does any of the above sound interesting to you? Here's a link. And then we have this long code here, but basically this is a link to my Google Calendar where they can, to a form which is connected to the Google Calendar where they can book a call with us, one of our sales team. Okay, and then finally we update the leads table with recommendation. Because I wanted to send a HTML into my email client, this module. I put the strip HTMLs so that I don't have to try and read HTML in my CRM again. Station. So after careful evaluation, like you saw in the email. Okay. Okay, so on the next build, what I would like to show you is the calendar booking form, which is attached into email. Allows them to book the link. And then I'll be doing further builds. One of the next, after I finish this sales funnel, the plan would be to show you the content repurposing. So I'm going to take the audio from this tutorial, walk along, feed it through another section of my CMS, so my content management system. This will take the 5 key points. It will then create a LinkedIn carousel using Google Slides. Start ready for review. The suggested titles, suggested content. Once I approve, it will create the Google slide ready to be loaded. Metrics. Be able to create a Instagram post. So that'll be in JPEG format. That'll be in PDF or LinkedIn. And then we can also do Twitter/X thread snippets with some images. Attention, if you like this, enjoyed this, come back to the video and starting from 0. So if you've enjoyed the content, please leave a like, leave some comments. I'm curious for feedback. I've got a new microphone since the last video, so hopefully my audio quality is much better. Thanks, Rick.